Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English Easy Way, where learning English is simple and fun. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. Hello, everyone. We are very happy you're here.
Yes, and today we're talking about something very important feelings.
Feelings? Oh, wow. We all have them.
Yes, Paul. And today we will learn how to say your feelings in English.
That's a great topic. Many learners want to express emotions, but sometimes they don't know the right words.
Exactly. So we are here to help. But first, a small request.
If you enjoy our podcast, please like this video.
And if you're new, welcome. Please subscribe to Learn English Easy Way.
It really helps us. Thank you.
Okay, Paul, let's start. How are you feeling today?
I feel happy
Oh, why do you feel happy?
because I had a great breakfast. Food makes me happy.
That's true. Well, I feel excited today
Excited? Why?
because I love teaching about emotions. I think feelings make language come alive.
That's beautiful. But sometimes people don't know the simple words, right?
Yes, let's teach them. Let's start with positive feelings.
Okay. If you feel very good, you can say, I feel happy. I feel great. Or, I feel fantastic.
And if you feel calm, you can say, I feel relaxed. I feel peaceful.
Yes. And if you feel proud, you can say, I'm proud of myself. I feel confident.
Now, let's talk about negative feelings.
Uh-oh.
Don't worry, Paul. Just examples.
Okay. If you feel sad, you can say, I feel sad. I feel down today.
And if you feel tired, you can say, I'm exhausted. I feel sleepy.
I know that one very well.
Yes. And when you feel angry, you can say, I'm upset. I feel frustrated.
Good words, simple and useful. You can also say, I'm stressed. I feel worried.
Yes, and it's totally okay to say those things. Talking about feelings helps people understand you.
Very true. And there's a great sentence learners can use anytime. I feel something. Just put your emotion after feel.
Exactly. I feel happy. I feel nervous. I feel excited.
Emily, how do you feel right now?
I feel grateful. Grateful for our listeners.
Oh, that's sweet. I feel grateful too.
And how do you feel, dear listeners? Tell us in the comments.
Write, I feel, and complete the sentence.
We would love to read your feelings.
Thank you for listening today.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this episode.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.